for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Hi. As you can see, this Orangewood guitar that I ordered from Amazon, this is the second one. Last one came as an Olympic weight bar. It was 10 feet long and this big around. I don't know how anybody possibly could confuse that with a weight with a guitar. Anyway, this one is heavily damaged on the box. Orangewood guitars are terribly packaged in the first place, so I want to make sure that this is not a broken guitar. Come on. The gig bag is open at the top. It appears undamaged. There's feel. Can't see any obvious damage in the X-bracing. Okay, it appears to be okay. So, we'll get on with the video.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. Today we're looking at this Orangewood guitar. Leo ordered an Orangewood Manhattan. We're not exactly sure whether this is a Manhattan or not, because on the shipping order it said a Rey, R-A-Y.
No, R-E-Y.
Oh, Rey, like King.
King,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I believe Leo took it out of the box originally because we had some unfortunate luck with a couple of other acoustics that he ordered, and he just wanted to make sure.
I took it out of the box because the box was very damaged.
Okay, so.
And I wanted to make sure that it was not
A
damaged.
playable, reviewable guitar instead of just
A Firefly.
as we will now call them, firewoods. Anyway, first thing to say is this guitar cost $134 with some shipping and stuff, probably closer to $150. It came with this very nice gig bag. It's a very nice heavy-duty gig bag. Ripstop nylon, nice and thick. Got a big pocket in the front.
There might be something in that pocket, I'm not sure.
And with a really chintzy pick guard.
Tortoise shell.
Yeah, but it's somewhat flimsy. But I guess it'll, keep you from scratching up your guitar if you really want to put it on. We're not going to bother with that today. It's got nice Velcro fastening around the handle. It's got two handles, two zippers, the regular gig bag design. And let's see what we get. Oh, very nice. And no cracks, no crushing, no damage that I can tell.
It is a single cut.
And
Does it say Ray in the sound hole? Inside the sound hole on the paper?
it's kind of dark in there. Let's see.
I have a flashlight here if you need it.
I've got one right here. Yes, it's a Ray.
Okay.
Yes, it's a Ray. Hello? Hello? Anyone in there? So here we have it. It's an Orangewood Rey. Not particularly heavy guitar, which leads me to believe that the wood is not particularly thick. That could be good, that could be bad. Way out of tune. No name tuners, but they seem to be nice enough tuners. It looks like the whole thing is mahogany, except for the fingerboard, perhaps.
I think the fingerboard actually is mahogany.
Okay.
At least it said so.
Okay. Well, it looks like the entire body and perhaps the fingerboard is mahogany. It's got a relatively simple but nice inlay around the sound hole, a rosette as Leo calls it. Can't tell if it's a bone bridge or not. Relatively simple, not a nice dreadnought size to it, so it's probably going to sound pretty good when we start playing it. So, relatively simple guitar. So we're going to stop now and tune it up and see how she sounds, and maybe we can find something quiet enough to, as a backing track, we'll play a little tune with it after that. So, be right back. Thanks. Hey folks, Dan Ryan again. Today we're looking at this Orangewood Rey, R-E-Y guitar, which means king in Spanish, or Portuguese probably, maybe Italian, not sure. It's completely mahogany, from what we understand, and not very heavy, but it's a nice dreadnought size. So we're just going to play a little something on it first. Our acoustic guitar reviews tend to be a little bit shorter than electrics because they only have one sound really. So let's see what we get out of this one. started fooling around in key of D. I think we got a little backing track that we can play to. It's going to have to be, since we have no amplification for this guitar, it's going to have to be pretty quiet. But we're going to stop now for one more time and make sure we're in tune again and see what we can get. Be right back. Hey folks, Dan Ryan back again with this Orangewood Rey acoustic guitar. It's completely acoustic. We already played a little something just by itself, and I think I found a backing track that will be quiet enough so that we can play along and hear it. And this is a backing track by a gentleman named Nick Neblo, and it's acoustic guitar backing track, ballad in E minor. So without further ado, or very little further ado, now we've had some ado, but here we go. there you have it. The Orangewood Rey acoustic guitar. Plays very nice. Nice action. Very lightweight guitar, which that's kind of neither here nor there. You know, acoustic guitars are, you kind of take them as they come. You either like them or you don't. They either play well or they don't. You know, certainly the luthiery involved can make a big difference, but even more so than with electric guitars, with acoustics, the proof is in the pudding. And so, I mean, if this would be a nice guitar to have around the house, you know, just to work things out on, just to have to pick up if you need one. You want to figure something out, hear something on the TV or something. So there you have it. The Orangewood Rey. I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan's behind the camera. We thank you for tuning in and hope that you will like and subscribe and click the bell icon if you want to be notified of our future videos. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time.